In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix bass in Apple Music. If you've noticed that the bass sounds a bit weak on your iPhone, don't worry. You can usually improve it by tweaking a few settings in the Music app. Let's dive right into it and explore how you can enhance your listening experience. First, let's start by changing the EQ setting. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in, tap on Apps, then select Music. From there, tap on EQ. Here you'll see a list of different presets. Each one is designed to alter the sound profile of your music in various ways. For a stronger bass, you might want to try the Bass Booster preset, which emphasizes those low frequencies. Alternatively, the Hip Hop preset often provides stronger bass while keeping the vocals clear and crisp. There's also the Electronic preset, which can add more punch to bass-heavy tracks. Once you've selected a preset, play a familiar song to compare the sound. Remember, Apple's EQ presets affect playback in the Music app, so take your time to find the one that suits your taste best. This step is significant because it directly shapes how your music will sound. Next up, let's turn off Sound Check. Sound Check is a feature that normalizes the volume of all your songs, which might inadvertently reduce the impact of the bass. To turn it off, go back to Settings, then tap on Apps and select Music once more. Here you will find the Sound Check option. Simply toggle it off. Now test your music again to see if there's an improvement. Disabling this feature can make a noticeable difference in how your music sounds, especially for bass-heavy tracks. After that, if you're using headphones, it's a good idea to check if Reduce Loud Audio is enabled. This feature can sometimes limit the bass response. To check this, open Settings, then tap on Sounds and Haptics. From there, navigate to Headphone Safety. If you see that Reduce Loud Audio is enabled, try temporarily turning it off or raising its limit. Listen to your music again to determine if this improves the bass response. It's important to note that this setting is designed to protect your hearing, so be cautious about making permanent changes. At this point, if the bass is still lacking, it's time to check your headphones or speakers. First, ensure that your Bluetooth headphones or speaker are fully charged. Low battery levels can sometimes affect sound quality. If your audio device has its own companion app like Sony Headphones Connect or JBL Portable, check for an equalizer or bass enhancement feature within the app. Adjust these settings to see if they enhance the bass. Finally, it might be helpful to test with a different pair of headphones. This can help you determine whether the issue lies with the audio device or with Apple Music itself. This step is crucial as it ensures that all potential variables are considered, giving you the best possible sound experience. With these adjustments, you should notice a significant improvement in the bass quality of your music on Apple Music. Remember, achieving the perfect sound is often a matter of personal preference, so feel free to experiment with these settings until you find what works best for you. Enjoy your music, and thanks for tuning in.